5:21 a.m. and I made it to my first point. We're starting from the bottom today, so that's nice. I don't have to get up as early, although I'm still so tired. The brook is still really high, so we're doing south transects, so we don't have to cross the brook. And my first point is like right next to the brook, which is, I'm sure you can hear. So I probably won't have very many birds on this count, which I'm not too sad about. I kind of just want to sit and drink coffee, to be honest. But yeah, it's supposed to be a high of 37 today, I think, which is absolutely insane. We're gonna get out of the forest a lot way before that happens, but Monday's gonna be brutal. It's supposed to be even hotter. But if we don't have any more rain days, we'll be done by Tuesday. So I'm hoping we just push through. So this is what the brook looks like in the daytime. This would usually be crossable, but right now it's definitely not. Maybe if you're lucky in some spots, but it doesn't look like there are any here. So I took a look at the map for tomorrow, and it seems like we'll probably be doing all south side transects, so we don't have to cross the brook. Which means that the next day we're going to be doing all the transects that suck, including the bog and the blowdown transects from the top, which I'm not looking forward to, but I'd rather be safe than convenient, I guess. So this transect, in my opinion, is one of the best transects in the valley. It's not the easiest, but the habitat is really interesting. There are a bunch of marshes and little wet areas, and apparently this is the only place that black-backed woodpecker has been seen, or I guess heard in the valley. And yeah, it's sort of steep at the beginning, but as soon as you get past that, it flattens out and becomes all boreal. And it's really open, surprisingly, for the most part. You can follow moose trails up to your next point, and there's a lot of interesting boreal species like boreal chickadee, and I think people have had bignals either here or on the transect next to mine, so it's a possibility. We have a yellow rump. I don't know if you can see that. There he is. We have... what are you? Nuthatches? I think. Just got a spider web in the face. So I'm done with the transect. Unfortunately, there was nothing of really great interest. I may have had a white-winged crossbill fly over during one of my counts, but it's way too far away for me to feel confident. And even if it was, it would have been outside the survey area anyway. So, oh well. But it's gotten insanely hot. There was a point where I think it was maybe like 4 points away from the end of the transect that you could just feel the heat increase. So I'm very warm. It's probably only like 24, 25 right now, but it's really humid. So I'm working my way back down. And if I'm the first person to get back, I'm certainly turning the air conditioning on in my car, because this is miserable.